Penetrates into the fiber optic cable to stripping pliers, benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle, pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. The cable sheath snugly retaining surface incision. Combined guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. Clean with alcohol fiber. Open guide stripper. The cable cut close baffle. Together into the cutter groove. Cutting the fiber length 13 millimeters. The prepared fiber into covered cold dam until the cable sheath incision close to the leather seat stop bits. Curved tail cable, preventing the cable sliding out. At the same time, remove card buckle under the buckle locking the cable sheath. Other splicing optical fibers. Method with 1, 2, 3, 4 step. The optical fiber from the other end penetrating covered cold joint subsidiary. When the cable sheath incision close to the line, a barrier position. Both sides on the top bend optical fiber. Now that cable continued normal. Curved tail cable, preventing the cable sliding out. At the same time, remove card buckle. Press the buckle locking the cable sheath. Pressure under cold catching cover. To connecting the optical fiber fixing. Pressure line cap. Completed the line connection. Below is the decomposition demonstration. Break apart and move away the laser core.